If you've been wondering how to use Hostinger AI website builder to create a professional website quickly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from starting your website setup in hPanel to generating your design with AI, customizing your content, and finally publishing your site. Whether you're building a business website, a portfolio, an online store, or a blog, Hostinger's AI website builder makes it much easier to get a polished website online without starting from scratch. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and software tutorials. Let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account at hpanel.hostinger.com. Once you're inside hPanel, look at the main menu and click on Websites. From there, select Add Website to begin the setup process. Hostinger will then show you a list of platform options, and here you want to choose Hostinger Website Builder. This is the option that activates the AI-powered website creation flow, so make sure you select the correct builder before moving on. Next, you'll arrive at the AI generation step. This is where Hostinger starts building your site for you. Enter your brand name into the field provided, then choose the website type that best matches your goal. For example, you can select business, portfolio, online store, or blog, depending on the kind of website you want to create. After that, write a short description of your business, your services, or the goal of your website. Try to be clear and specific, because the more detail you give, the better the AI can generate a relevant design. Once everything is filled in, click the up arrow or generate button. Hostinger's AI will then automatically create a customized website layout for you. It will also generate starter text and choose images that match your brand and website type. This is one of the biggest time-saving features of the builder, because it gives you a complete first draft in just a few moments. Now that your website has been generated, the real customization begins. On the editor screen, you can click directly on any AI-generated text to edit it. That means you can change headlines, paragraphs, button text, and other written content to match your brand voice. You can also click on any image to replace it with your own media or refine the visuals so the site looks more professional and unique. If you want to expand your design, Hostinger gives you drag and drop elements you can place anywhere on the page. You can add new sections, buttons, text boxes, contact forms, and more. This makes it easy to shape the layout exactly the way you want without needing coding skills. As you build out your site, don't forget to manage your pages. Open the Pages and the Navigation panel in the left sidebar, where you can add new pages, rename existing ones, or reorder them. This is especially useful if you want pages like About, Contacts, Services, or FAQ to appear in a specific order. A clean navigation menu helps visitors move around your site more easily, and it also makes your website look more organized and professional. Another important step is styling your brand consistently. In the design settings, adjust your global colors and typography so your website matches your logo and overall brand identity. This helps create a more polished and memorable look. You should also check how your design appears on mobile devices, because a large part of your traffic may come from phones and tablets. Switching to mobile view lets you catch spacing issues, text wrapping problems, or buttons that need repositioning before you publish. Once your design looks good, it's time to preview and launch your site. Toggle between desktop and mobile viewports to make sure everything looks clean on all devices. Double check your content, images, page names, and layout one last time. Then make sure your domain name is connected or claimed so your website is ready to go live. When everything is set, click Go Live in the top right corner to publish your AI-generated website. And just like that, your Hostinger website is online and ready for visitors. So that's how to use Hostinger AI website builder from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you out, please give us a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of website you're building with Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.